Let's make this beautiful trending sleeve together. First of all, draft your basic sleeve pattern as seen, right? You can see how high the cap height is and then cut out. Okay. Once you are done, measure 2 inches from the cap height and cut it out. Put away the sleeve. Get your fabric and slash the cap height open. Spread it by 2 inches as seen. Okay, and then draw like a triangle line as you can see. Okay, measure 2 inches from where the cap height ends down to enable you get a triangle. Okay, cut it out. Get back your sleeve pattern, place it on your fabric as seen. Extend the cap height by another 2 inches as seen to form a triangle. Trace it properly and then cut out. Once you are done, get your cap height and cut out a lining for it as seen, so, and then bring it back to the sleeve to join as seen. Once you are done joining, this is what you should have. I love it. It's beautiful. Fix it on your outfit and voila, you are good.